Okay, so now Windows is well and truly on its way. I'm installing some softwares on it from the same website. So while that is being done, we are gonna begin with the Linux bootable uh, USB. So I've downloaded the latest Linux Mint. It was not 21.2, it's 22.2 cinnamon 64-bit. So I'm gonna plug that same USB pen drive into the laptop. It's gonna pop up with some uh, files that were within there previously. So gonna select the same universal USB uh, installer. I'm gonna agree here, gonna go for the drop down. I'm gonna select Linux Mint. It's gonna be at the top right there. 64, 62, 64, 32 doesn't really do anything. You just select Linux Mint, browse, and then come back to this particular ISO path. Not 17.2, we're gonna go to 22.2. So we're gonna double tap it, format it, so select the again the G drive that we had, format it was NTFS, and this time we will just create and say yes. Linux Mint bootable usually takes lesser time compared to the Windows one, but stranger things have happened. As you must remember, it was a uh, white panel that came up with when we were doing the Windows installation. This Linux is a complete different thing, so it copies the path or the files onto the USB drive, the pen drive on the scratch, and then it makes it bootable. So that is what it is doing right now, as it is a USB, so it is doing it at a really better, faster speed compared to what Windows was doing. So yeah, I think I will not pause or stop this video. I will just let this complete. Hopefully it will complete in time, uh, in quick time, while we have the other softwares being installed. I have already installed Google Chrome on it. VLC player was already on there. So yeah, few softwares are being installed on the Windows side as well, while the bootable USB for Linux Mint is being made here. So yeah, one thing to ponder over here, that you have to make sure your both PC or laptops are completely charged or powered up for this complete procedure to be completed, because if this goes and it turns off in the middle of the setup at any stage, it can cause a lot of trouble, maybe bad sectors on the hard disk as well. So we have to be very careful we have enough sufficient power, or if you're living in a area that has load shedding on it, and you're not using a PC or you're not using a laptop with a good backup time, or you're using a PC that does not have enough power time. So select a time for the installation where you have enough time to install the operating system onto your machine. So just waiting for this to complete, and I believe it will be a very fast paced and fastly completed uh, completion of the bootable USB. Yeah, so this was the page that took forever for Windows to complete. I think, yeah, it's like I told you, this is gonna be a quick one, so this one has been completed. So that's the completed part one. I'm just waiting for the Windows to complete the installation of these softwares over here. Once it is completed, I will start in the next video with the part of the installation for Linux. Thank you very much for staying with us.